How to sell books on Lulu. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell books on Lulu. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Lulu, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Lulu, it is a self-publishing platform that empowers authors, artists, and businesses to create, print, and distribute their own books globally, in which it offers an easy-to-use system for designing and publishing various formats such as paperbacks, hardcovers, photo books, and ebooks without the need for a traditional publishing house. And Lulu provides tools for customizing layouts, setting prices, and selling books through its online store or major retailers like Amazon and Barnes and Noble. It also supports print-on-demand services, allowing creators to avoid upfront costs and inventory issue. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or the Get Started button on the top right. And after signing in, all you need to do is simply fill out the required information, and that includes your name, email, your currency, language, password, and many more. And after that, you can now click the Create button on the top panel, and also from here it will show you a variety of type of ebooks or kind of project that you can do. For instance, I'm going to choose this print books by clicking Make a Book button. From here, just click the Start Making My Book button. Upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on the page where the first thing that you need to do again is to simply sign in your email or password once you've now done creating your account. You can select here the product type. After that, just choose print book, or on this page I'm going to choose ebook. So let's assume that this is just basically the book. All you need to do is simply enter here the ebook details, including the project title, such as, for instance, a paradox as a title of it, and also the ebook language. All you need to do is simply click on it and simply choose the English. And also under ebook category, just simply select what kind of category your ebook contain. I'm going to choose fiction. Then click Add Copyright Info to be proceed to the copyright section, in which from here all you need to do is simply enter the subtitle, which is optional, the edition of it, and also the statement or edition statement if you want to. But all of these are quite optional. Moving on, under the author role, I'm going to enter here, for example, the name Mark A. Under the copyright section from here, you could also add a copyright holder name, but that is also optional. You'd also enter here the ISBN, or you can proceed without ISBN. And it says here that if you're only selling your book on the Lulu bookstore, an ISBN is not required. But if you want to use it with other retailers or to sell it, you can enter here the ISBN. Moving on, under the design section, just simply upload here the file of your ebook, and make sure to choose here or select the requirement file type. And in creating an ebook, I'm going to simply choose this Canva. You can simply enter under this template the book cover, and it will show us in here a variety of template that we can choose from. So from here, as you can see, there's a variety of template that we can use. And some of it already has a crown icon, which means that you need to have a premium account or pro account to navigate those. But I'm going to simply choose the free one, and this is basically what it looks like, in which, as you can see, I already created it. Now from here, if you're now done creating it, or you could also add another kind of elements, you can go to the elements section, text, and any other kind of editing tools that you can navigate in here. We can change the color, the font style, and any other details. Moving on, by clicking the share button on the top right, we can click download now button, and in here just simply select under the file type section the PDF standard or PDF print. You can click the download button once done. And after that, you can now go back in here and this page of Lulu and simply upload the file that we just downloaded or created using the platform Canva. And upon uploading it, you should be able to see here the result. You could also upload a cover of it. Once done, just click or moving on to the details section, while waiting for the design to be uploaded. Now under the details, you can simply enter here the description of your project or your book that you are selling. You can provide all information that is important or necessary for the readers to know about the book that you are selling. You could also enter here a synopsis and many more. And under the contribution notes, it is only an optional. However, you can add more information below here, and also under the table of contents, it is also an optional. Now under these categories and keywords, you can simply enter or choose your keyword or main category. For example, fiction, horror, and also below it will show you some other recommended type of category in here. So just simply do the same process of entering here the categories and keywords or filling out the required info below here. For the keyword, I'm going to enter, for instance, humor and also horror, fiction, and many more. Now after you're now done filling out the required information, below under audience, you simply select your audience. You can also check the boxes if your ebook or your book contains an explicit content. For the audience, I'm going to simply select here someone a teenager or young adult and click add pricing and payees to now be proceed to the next stage. Now under pricing and payees, from here we can set the price by revenue goal or even fixed list price. And by choosing fixed list price, we can enter here the list price that is fixed in USD, Euro, Australian dollar, Great Britain pound, and many more. It will show us in here upon entering the estimated revenue, the gross profit, and many more. Now below, you could also proceed now to the final review. However, you also need to make sure to fill out this required information, and that include a new payee, in which you also need to simply connect your payment details where the customers can pay using those methods. And after that, you'll now be directed under the review section once done, and all you need to do is to wait for it to be approved. And you could also go to your store section under My Store option on the top panel, and it will show you what your store looks like. From here under the dashboard of it, it will show us we can track here the order statistic and other data. And even the notification section, some of the top products in here, if you have already more than one product. And also we can connect our online stores such as Shopify, Wix, and other e-commerce platform. Under billing, we could also filling out or enter a payment method or our billing address in here. Moving on the top right corner, you could also navigate under My Project. By clicking on it, you'll be directed on the page where you already created some of your drafts and also your book that you want to be published or sell on Lulu.com. So again, it also has here this promote your project section where you can publish a project, sales and payments to track some of your balances and payment overview. And in here under create project, we could also start creating another one, including the print book, photo book, comic book, and any other kind of books. On the top right corner, by clicking your profile icon, you could also navigate here some other things. And that includes your project, order history, source, and account settings. Under this dashboard again, it will show you some other data that you might miss upon navigating your dashboard. So basically, this platform Lulu.com is important because it provides an independent authors and creators within an accessible and affordable way to publish their work without needing a traditional publisher. So overall, that is just how you can sell books on Lulu. Thank you.